Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great day. And in this video, we'll talk about Aptos. All right. So I wanted to talk about this. Not many people are interested in that, but for those who are interested in Aptos, I'll try to make a valuable video. I've been looking at Aptos quite a bit, the fundamentals, the technicals, and also the potential in terms of trading. So that's what we'll talk about. All right. I know the audio is bad, by the way. I'm trying to fix it. Haven't been able to fix it today, so we'll be back soon with better audio. We'll be back tomorrow with better audio, but or maybe even this afternoon. But for today, it's still bad. So I'm sorry for that, but we'll have to live with it. So Aptos got on my radar a little bit earlier last week because of its relative strength. All right, Aptos has been relatively strong, especially if you look at last week. Rallied up a total of 29%. The main level where it kept getting rejected was this level right here between 7.4, 7.5. Strong technical level, psychological resistance level at 7.5. Also, if you go to the daily time frame, it's just like that's kind of the level you need to break to turn bullish. Um, so that's ultimately like that's in my opinion that's the best trade. If we're able to get that breakout above 7.5, that's a guaranteed entry to me. I'll place a price alert there. I always had a price alert there, but it got tapped one last time on Tuesday. That's what we're waiting for. But in general, Aptos also has been relatively strong. Like if you zoom this all the way out, what you will see is obviously dogs has been relatively bullish, but during certain periods of time, you cannot see it right here, but during certain periods of time in the last 5 days or so, Aptos has been very strong as well in terms of relative performance against other cryptos, which is a good sign. So that's in combination with the market structure, which I would say, like if you look at the market structure right now, I would say it's slightly bullish because of the bullish breakout we had Thursday the 22nd last week. Um, but it's also consolidating, right? I mean, we had that bullish breakout, but right now the EMAs are relatively flat. Bitcoin obviously is kind of consolidating here. Bitcoin is at least not bullish. So do I really think there's opportunities right now for Aptos? No. I think there's enough what I talked about with the relative strength against other altcoins. That's interesting. In terms of that, we were very close to breaking out above 7.5. That's interesting. There is momentum behind this. I think the fundamentals, if you look at the total value locked, that's growing, that's bullish. DEX trading volumes are growing, that's bullish. Daily active addresses are slightly growing, that's bullish. That's all bullish. Um, the thing is that purely technically, for me, like maybe like the 7.5 breakouts and then taking the trades, then going long, I think that's most interesting. Maybe if we look at like the 12-hour time frame, at the daily time frame, and this support level right here between 6.5 and 6.3, that could be a good buy area as well, right? So those are my two buy areas. Either 6.3 if we get a strong reaction from that, and if Bitcoin also turns a little bit more bullish, or 7.5 if we're able to close above that. Do I think that's like, I mean, obviously one of these two buy areas is coming. For me, I think Aptos has that potential, both fundamentally and technically. But would I buy this at this point of time? No. All right. And even if we get to that buy level at 6.3, I would first wait for Bitcoin to really start showing some momentum, some volume, etc., before I would buy. So I do think it's worth it to keep your eyes on Aptos. It's been, like I said, very volatile in the last couple of days, and that usually brings opportunities. For now, I see no opportunities. Place price alerts at 6.5, at 7.5. If we hit 6.5, watch for Bitcoin, watch for the momentum. Momentum for Aptos right now is also not the best, even though we got some buy orders coming in earlier this morning. But look at that as well. If we see some momentum gaining from 6.4, 6.3, that's interesting as well. And then it could also be a good buy area. But the 7.5 break long term is the best one, because then you can start aiming for like 9.5 and $10. And that's amazing. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next videos, and bye.